反応出してくるんじゃないですかね。
Don't disturb me. Really large. It just looks so because of coat. Short, heavy, nice big legs. Really large, round head. No way.
してくださるよかった。
You just have to see that eyes. Yes. Wow, you're opening the eyes. Wonderful boy. Large round head. I believe they are open eyes. I just listened to that. Small ears, short nose, strong chin. Oops. They are somewhere short, 4 legs, I believe. short tail, wonderful grooming, fantastic, really warm brown color. Best version, my second best.